Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the Fiat 500.
And the Fiat 500 tyre pressures and how to check the tyre pressures on your Fiat 500. It's really important to have your Fiat 500 tyres inflated to the correct pressures, obviously for safety reasons, but also you'll get better miles per gallon. And always check your Fiat 500 tyre pressures when the tyres are cold, because when the tyres are warm, the tyre pressures will be higher. If one or more of your tyres has the incorrect tyre pressure, it may trigger the TPMS warning light on your dashboard, and I'll put a link at the end of the video about how to reset that. And this is the manual here explaining what the tyre pressure should be depending on what tyres you've got. So first of all, you need to find out what tyres you've got on your Fiat 500, and this will be written on the side of the tyre wall, and this one here is 185/55R15, and they should all be the same all the way around the car. And this is in the book, 185/55R15s, and I'll just put this on an easier chart to read next to the car. And if you've got a medium load in the car, say 2 or 3 people, it recommends 2.2 bar on the front and 2.1 bar on the rear, which is 31.9 psi on the front and 30.5 psi on the rear. Now if you've got a full load in the car, which is 4 people plus luggage, it recommends 2.3 bar on the front and the rear, which is 33.3 psi. Now this Fiat 500 is going to be having a medium load. So I'm just going to check the front tyre first, and I'll only check the front tyres. When you do this, make sure you check all 4 tyres. Now I've got an old school tyre pressure gauge here, you may have a digital one. And this is showing about 30 psi, so we just need to put a bit more air in this tyre. Now I've just got an old school foot pump here. You may have one that plugs into the cigarette lighter. But I'm old school and this is good for your legs. The gauges on these foot pumps aren't very accurate, so make sure you always check them with your tyre pressure gauge afterwards, or if you've got a digital one. Put some air in that. Now let's check it again. We're looking for about 31.9 psi. So basically about 32 psi. And there we go, that is just under 32 psi, which is absolutely perfect. Don't forget to put the tyre cap valve back on. Then go round to the rest of the 3 tyres and check those tyre pressures, and then pump up or deflate and make sure that you get those to what we had in the chart at the beginning. I'm feeling a little bit tired and a little bit deflated after that video. The only thing that's going to perk me up is a lovely cup of tea. If you need to reset your TPMS warning indicator on the dashboard, there's a link to that video in the top left hand corner, and I'll put some other useful Fiat 500 videos around the edge of the screen. Drive safe.